running back. Flight of fancy on a windswept field. Standing alone, my senses reel. Fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape its irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. Find my way home, unlaid and empty, and turned to stone. A sole intention, it's learning to fly. Condition grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earth.
Mixtures rich. Propellers flaps set. 10 degrees strobes on. Call Radio Echo, ready for departure. English 129 listening in. Radio Echo.
Vapor trail in the empty air. Across the clouds I see my shadow fly. Out of the corner of my watering eye, I dream unthreatened by the morning light. Could blow this soul right through the roof of the night. There's no sensation